Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Small habits, when done consistently, bring big changes over time. People often try for big changes, but small habits do the real work. Even 10 to 15 minutes of a small daily habit can have a big impact. Good habits slowly build skill, patience, and confidence. Bad habits gradually stop progress. Consistently practicing small habits is the key to achieving big goals. Today's small steps are tomorrow's big success. Changing habits makes changing life easier. Starting one small habit every day builds consistency. So value small habits because they create big change. So that's all friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.